Hello, word listeners. Alex here, ready for another vocabulary adventure. Today's word is double, a handy adverb for B1 English learners. Double means twice as much or twice as many. It indicates an amount or quantity that is multiplied by 2. Think of it as times 2. You'll hear it used a lot, so let's dive in. Now, let's explore some synonyms for double. Instead of saying I need double the amount, you could say I need twice the amount. For example, I need twice the sugar for this recipe. Another synonym is twofold, which emphasizes that something is composed of two parts or aspects, or is multiplied by 2. You might say, the benefit of exercise is twofold. It improves both physical and mental health. A third synonym, although slightly less common in everyday conversation, is duplicate. Think of a duplicate key or a duplicate document. While duplicate often refers to an exact copy, it implies a doubling effect. For instance, we need to duplicate the effort to achieve our goal. You could also use multiply by 2, which is a more explicit and less subtle synonym. For example, to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, multiply by 2 and add 30. Finally, consider the phrase double up. This signifies to pair or combine, effectively doubling the presence or function. For example, we will double up the security for the event. Now, let's consider antonyms, words with opposite meanings. The most straightforward antonym of double is single, meaning one or only one. For example, instead of a double room, I booked a single room. Another antonym is half, representing one of two equal parts. I only want half the portion, not double. Another option is reduce by half, providing a contrasting direction to multiplication. Instead of doubling the ingredients, you would reduce by half. For instance, we decided to reduce by half the amount of sugar. The word decrease can also serve as an antonym, indicating a reduction in quantity, the opposite of doubling. You might say, we need to decrease the cost, not double it. You could also consider the phrase remain the same, because if you do not double something, it remains the same. This means there is no increase. Now, let's see how double pops up in everyday life. If you are playing a game, you might shout double or nothing, meaning you'll risk everything to win twice as much. If you're ordering coffee, you might ask for a double shot of espresso, which is 2 shots instead of 1. In a restaurant, you might order a double cheeseburger, meaning it has 2 patties of meat. If you're driving and see a sign that says double fine zone, it means the fines for traffic violations are twice as high. You might hear someone say, I had to pay double for the tickets because it was a last-minute purchase. Or if you are having a tough time at work, you might say, I have double the workload this week. Let's look at some more sentences and phrases. She earned double her usual salary this month. The recipe calls for double the amount of flour. He saw double after the accident. Double-check your work before submitting it. They are living in a double-wide trailer. The price of gas nearly doubled in the past year. I'm having double vision. I have to work a double shift today, from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. The population of the city doubled in the last decade. This material is double-layered, providing extra protection. Double-click on the icon to open the application. He scored a double century in the cricket match. The room has double doors for easy access. We are offering a double warranty on this product. She has double citizenship. He experienced a double loss, both professionally and personally. They paid double the price because they needed it urgently. He is under double the pressure to succeed. The store is running a double discount promotion this week. The detective suspected a double identity. They planned a double wedding, with both sisters getting married on the same day. They requested a double confirmation before proceeding. The company reported a double-digit growth in sales. They received double the number of applications this year. This is a double-edged sword with both positive and negative consequences. He is a double threat, skilled in both offense and defense. They have a double garage to store their cars. She is working a double major in college, studying both biology and chemistry. The hotel offers double occupancy rooms for couples. This product has a double lifetime warranty. He saw double reflection in the mirror. The team made a double substitution during the game. The story had a double twist at the end. All right, that's double for today. Remember, it means twice as much. We covered synonyms like twice, twofold, and duplicate, and antonyms like single, half, and decrease. You can use double in many everyday situations. Thanks for joining me on Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. Now, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word double and share it as a comment. I look forward to reading them.